In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription pop-up to your Wix website. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and confirm that you're on the Setup tab. This is where you manage a lot of the core settings for your site. From here, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where you can actually change the design and content of your website. When the editor loads, turn your attention again to the left-hand panel. This panel is where you'll find all the tools and elements you can add to your site. Look for the button labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click that. A new panel will slide open, showing different types of items you can insert into your pages. Within this panel, find and select the interactive category. Interactive elements are pieces of content that your visitors can actually engage with, like lightboxes, hoverboxes, and pop-ups. Once you're in the interactive section, choose the subscribe option. This is where Wix stores the ready-made email subscription pop-ups. You'll now see a variety of subscription designs, each with different layouts and styles. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that matches the look and feel of your website. When you found one you like, click on it to add it to your site. You'll see a short loading indicator appear. Just wait for that to finish. As soon as it's done, your new pop-up will appear as a preview on your page. Next, click on any element inside the pop-up, like the text, the button, or an image. When you do this, a floating toolbar will appear near that element. This toolbar gives you options to edit things like the wording, fonts, colors, and alignment. Go through each part of the pop-up and customize the content so it clearly explains what visitors are subscribing to and what they'll receive in return, such as a newsletter, updates, or special offers. Take your time to make the design and text match your brand and tone. When you're happy with how everything looks and reads, click on Exit Mode. The pop-up preview will disappear from the editor view, but your settings are saved and the subscription pop-up is now part of your site. And that's it. You've successfully added an email subscription